Dora Dating App, create, share, find people. So here's the app. Let's take a look. Dora is a community where creative people connect through what they share, not just what they say. It's a place to share your ideas, explore unique perspectives, and connect with people who express themselves visually. Post what inspires you, design a mood, a sketch, or thought. No pressure nor perfection, just artistic energy and honest expression. So here you can just see it. So let's just open it up. So here's I created an account. You can see you can just swipe. Mostly US accounts. You can see likes, then you can see messages, and then you can see your account. You can get daily bonuses. You can see settings. You can delete an account. You can complete your profile. You can see feeds. So settings. So yeah, that's basically the idea. I don't know how legit is this app. What else? There is also Dora Pro, which you can get annually $70. So quite cheap app compared to others, or weekly $14.99. And what you're getting, so you're getting 3 weekly super high weekly boosts, 7 weekly feed greetings, more likely means to swipe more and match faster, reveal my likes, 3,500 coins instantly added. So that's just, so for example, if you wanna do that, that's basically the idea how it works in here. So there you have it. That's the app. It's grown quite high in the charts recently, and again there are mixed reviews. There are quite a lot of kind of AI bots in this app, but also people kind of liking it as well. So what do you think, guys?